I wanted to do a family vlog, but then Finn and I started watching this scary video. Ah! Mom!
What happened?
My tablet ran out of battery, so Nessa let us use her laptop.
And you watched a scary video you shouldn't have?
Super scary.
I know there are things on the internet kids shouldn't click on, but I didn't think that video was one of them. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's not your fault, Alva. It was just a mistake. But now you know why yours and Finn's devices have parental controls. Nessa is old enough to watch different things than you two.
Sorry, my phone was upstairs and I heard it ring. My bad.
Oh, nobody's bad, Nessa. It's just a good example of why we have parental controls.
Got it. Alva's tablet is charging in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll see if it's charged and get it. And finish my coffee. You okay, Finn?
I'm going to hide from the scaries.
If you say so, love.
I wonder if anything like this happens in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo! Oh, wait. Let me make sure Mum isn't mad at Nessa.
Yay!
Huh? Wait, Finn! Mo, go, Gizmo!
Mo appeared in my office without you. Very unusual.
I calculate that Finn entering my vortex unexpectedly caused us all to appear in different locations.
Finn?
Finn's my little brother, Mayor Garth. We really need to find him, because he's too young to know there are places you shouldn't go.
What if he ends up in Trollham?
That must be very worrying, Alva. Where do you think he might go?
Well, we both love going to the park at home. My first time here, that's where I went.
Then let's look in Gizmo Park.
Yay!
Hello?
Ah! Monster!
No, not a monster. I'm an Uli.
Uli? Alva talks about Ulis.
You know Alva? Wait, you look just like how Alva describes her brother. You must be Finn.
I'm not supposed to talk to strangers.
Oh, you're right. What to do?
Well, if it isn't Uli Fooly Bean. What is that?
Oh, good. You made him smile.
Made who smile?
That's Alva's brother.
Oh, there's two of them to ruin our troll fun now. Bo!
Ah! Stranger danger! I'm going to look for a police officer so I'll be safe from strangers.
I'm gonna beat ya.
Oh, we'll see about that.
Huh?
More strangers!
You're the strange one?
I'm not strange, I'm Finn. Oops, I shouldn't have given my name to strangers.
Finn? Finn is Alva's brother.
Another one? No fair!
Alva must be so worried. I'm sure she's out looking for him.
Then let's get them back together so they can both be gone. Come on, kid, follow us.
I don't go with strangers.
I told ya, you're the stranger around here.
Be nice, Humble Bluff. He shouldn't go with strangers. But I have a way to signal Alva, though we haven't used it in a while. Uli, 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 ho, ho, ho!
Ah! Uli, yobo!
It still works! Alva's coming.
I like you. I'm Finn.
And I'm Pom.
Finn!
Alva!
It's so good to see you, Finn.
Mo?
Finn's never seen you in Gizmo before, Mo.
This is Gizmo.
It sure is.